Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to upload videos on your Canva canvas. So if you want to edit your videos, or if you want to upload your videos on your canvas, so you can easily do this after watching this video. So you can see this is the canvas. I just take a canvas. It's 16.9. So it's the empty now, so I want you can choose photos or template through video template, or if you have on, then you can click here upload, and then click upload files. Once you click here, then go to desktop, then you should find here this one and open it. So you can see it's uploading now. You can see it's uploading like a waving, so you have to wait for a couple of times. It's really large. So after, like, it's, you can download, add tags, you can move trash. So after uploading, you can bring in here. You can see it's already here. You can just make it longer, you can crop it, you can fit it, or you can add anything here. So it's really easy to upload any videos. So, okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.